Facebook Marketplace has transformed from a local-only platform into a major e-commerce solution. The platform now processes millions of shipped transactions every month, competing directly with established marketplaces like eBay and Amazon. To start shipping on Facebook Marketplace, you need to meet several requirements. First, you must have a verified Facebook account that's at least 30 days old. You'll also need a valid payment method for purchasing shipping labels, a verified physical address, and tax information if your annual sales exceed $600. Setting up shipping for your listings involves 4 key steps. First, enable the shipping option during listing creation. Then set your shipping zones. You can ship locally, nationwide, or to custom regions. Next, define your package dimensions and weight for accurate shipping calculations. Finally, choose your shipping speed from standard, expedited, or overnight options. Facebook Marketplace provides integrated shipping labels through partnerships with major carriers including UPS, FedEx, and USPS. This integration offers automated pricing with real-time rates, discounts of 10 to 15% below retail rates, integrated tracking updates, and QR code simplified drop-off processes. Facebook Marketplace offers purchase protection, covering up to $2,000 for shipped items. This protection covers situations where the item is not received, significantly different from the description, or damaged during shipping. This gives both buyers and sellers confidence in the shipping process. With these requirements met and setup steps completed, you're ready to start shipping on Facebook Marketplace. The platform's integrated system makes it easy to create listings, generate shipping labels, and provide customers with tracking information, all while enjoying the protection and discounts that come with Facebook's carrier partnerships. Facebook Marketplace's label generation system streamlines the entire shipping process for sellers. The platform automatically compares rates from major carriers in real time to find you the best prices. The system offers 4 key features: real-time carrier rate comparison, bulk printing support for high-volume sellers, QR code integration for easy drop-offs, and automatic tracking updates that keep buyers informed. Understanding Facebook Marketplace's fee structure is crucial for calculating your profits. As of 2025, there are 2 main fees: a selling fee and a payment processing fee. The selling fee is 5% of the total transaction amount, which includes both the item price and shipping cost. Additionally, there's a payment processing fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Here's a real example of how shipping rates work. This seller is charging $9.99 for shipping on a $100 item, and after Facebook's 5% selling fee, they'll receive $103.54 as their payout. Facebook automatically compares rates from major carriers, including UPS, USPS, and FedEx. This table shows typical price ranges, with costs varying from around $27 for basic service up to $140 for premium overnight delivery. Facebook Marketplace offers 4 main delivery options to meet different customer needs and budgets. Each option has different time frames and pricing structures. Standard shipping takes 3 to 7 business days and is the most economical option. Expedited shipping delivers in 2 to 3 business days for customers who need items faster. For urgent deliveries, overnight shipping provides next business day delivery in select areas. Local same-day delivery is available in major metropolitan areas for immediate needs. The QR code integration makes dropping off packages incredibly simple. Sellers just print their label with the QR code, and carriers can scan it for instant processing without manual data entry. One major advantage is the shipping label discount. Facebook negotiates 10 to 15% discounts below retail carrier rates. Plus, there are no listing fees, unlike other platforms. The delivery speed options give sellers flexibility to meet different customer needs. Standard shipping keeps costs low, while expedited and overnight options command higher prices for faster delivery. Facebook Marketplace's shipping system combines competitive pricing, automated features, and flexible delivery options. With discounted shipping labels, no listing fees, and integrated tracking, it provides a comprehensive solution for both casual and professional sellers.